If you are living in the United Kingdom, you must be holder of this BRP card. Please keep in mind this BRP card is gonna expire at the end of this year, 31st of December 2024. Oh, my visa is till August 2025. My visa is till April 2025. If my BRP is gonna expire at the end of 2024, what I will do with my visa? Please keep in mind, UK government is going to expire all the BRPs at the end of this year, and they have given a replacement of this BRP, and this replacement is called as the e-visa. So yes, this is the point, this is the topic we are going to discuss in this video, how you can change your BRP card to the e-visa. Process is very simple. You have to follow all the steps mentioned in this video and you will get response within few days. So let's move to the laptop and don't skip this video.
You're a BRP holder and you are living in the United Kingdom and you have received this email from the Home Office, then you have to act accordingly as explained in this email. So the title of email is replace your BRP with the e-visa now. So as everyone living in the United Kingdom knows that the BRP system is gonna end at the end of this year, like on the 31st of November, 31st of December, all the BRPs will be invalid. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to replace your BRP with e-visa. Okay, so you must have received this email from the Home Office. If you have not received the email till now, you can't do this. Definitely you are going to receive this email in the near future. Before the end of this year you will get this email. So the email state, if you did not receive this email directly from the Home Office, it may not be possible to create your account or view your e-visa yet. Okay, so you can't take a link from your friend or anyone else, or you can complete this process until and unless you're going to receive the email. So they are saying we are contacting because your biometric residence permit will expire on 31st of December 2024. To prove your immigration status after this date, you will need to replace your BRP with an e-visa, which is free and easy to do. The expiration of your BRP card does not affect your immigration status. Okay, so what do I need to do? So you have to create a UKVI account to access your e-visa, which replace your BRP. So to create the UKVI account, what you need your date of birth, your BRP number, your passport if you don't have the BRP, access to the email and access to the smartphone. So you should create UKVI account at so you have to click on this link. We are going to open this link in the new tab. Okay, so let's go to this link. So get access to your e-visa. Okay, it's very clearly written. You're gonna access to your e-visa. E-visa is online record of the immigration status. To get the e-visa, you have to create what UKVI account. Who can use this service? You can use this service if the Home Office has emailed you about how to get the access to your e-visa. So only if you receive the email you can use this service, otherwise not, you can't service. Okay, so what you need to do, so you will ask to create a UKVI account, confirm your identity using the UK immigration ID check app. Okay, so UK immigration ID check app you can download and you can do it. I will tell you later in the video. So before you start, what you have to do, you should have an email address, access to the smartphone and the BRP. So we will select on the start now button. Have you ever had biometric resident permit? Yes, I have. Is your biometric resident permit valid? Yes, my card is valid. Create a UK visa immigration UKVI account. You need to create a UKVI account to view your immigration status, access to someone's account, act on behalf of someone, confirm your identity. Okay, so these are the things which you will be in need. We will click on the continue create an account button. Okay, so who are you creating this account for? I can create for myself or someone else, for example your kids. Okay, account for the child. So I am creating for me. Click on the continue button. What's your name? So we will write our surname, first name and continue. What is your country of nationality? We will write Pakistan here. Which identity document are you using? I am using BRP. Continue. Okay, so enter your biometric resident permit details. So here you will write the permit number, here you will write the expiry date, and you will select the continue. They will ask about your date of birth. You have to write your date of birth here, continue. So then they will ask about what email address you want to use when you will sign in the account. So you will write your email address here, continue. Email address, they must have sent a security code, and you will enter the security code here, and then you will continue. They will ask about what phone number do you want to use while signing in, so you will enter your account number, phone number here, continue, and then a message will be sent on the given number, and you will enter a security code over there. Do you want someone else to have access to your account? No, and continue. Okay, then they will ask you check your answers before you create your account. You will check your all answers, and you will click on the create account. So here UK Visa immigration account has been created. We have sent you an email for the confirmation of the creation of the account. So then what do you need to do next? Now the important process starts. You need to sign into UK VI account before you view your e-visa. You will ask to confirm your identity using the immigration ID check app. I will let you know how we do that. Okay, if you have a BRP number, you will need to provide, okay, if you have not already done so. Alright, apart from that, how to sign into the UKVI account? You should have the identity document number, that is either BRB or the passport, your date of birth, access to your phone. So we will click on the sign in button. Okay, again, so what identity document did you use when you created the account? We use the BRP. Click on that. What your BRP resident permit number? We will enter the BRP number and continue. They will ask about your date of birth. You will enter your date of birth and continue. How do you want to receive a security code? Either select phone or the email. I am going to select the phone, and a security code will be sent on my number, and I will enter the security code here and continue. So now we are logged in the account, and it's saying this is your form. Now you can do link your e-visa to your account, the account which we created recently. So now you can link your e-visa to your account. So you have not started, we will select on the start button. Okay, so we will select the start button, and this will take us to the next page. Link your e-visa to your account. Unique reference number is this. Complete the following task to link your e-visa to your account. So these are the tasks: identity and the contact. You will enter all these details, then account security, and submit the request. So these are the three steps basically which you have to fulfill. So first one is identity and the contact. Confirm your identity. We will select over here. It will take us to the next page. Confirm your identity. You need to confirm your identity by using the UK immigration ID check app. We will select on the continue button. Okay, check you have the right smartphone. You should have iPhone 7 or above that, and Android. Okay, that may the contactless payment. Okay, do you have the access of the one of these smartphone? Yes, continue. So continue on the app. You can download the app either from the App Store or the Google Play Store, or you can connect the app to your account. Okay, open the app and select how you want to connect. You can either enter the connection code or the scan the QR code below. Okay, so I will like to do with the connection code. So I will open the app. I have already downloaded this app in my phone, and I will open that app, and I will enter the connection code over here, and then I will click on the connect button. So when you will open the app, first of all, they would like to confirm your identity, either phone number or the email address. You will select whatever you want. For example, phone number, they will send a 6-digit code, and you have to enter that 6-digit code into your account over here. And after that, you will continue. So this is the page. This is the basically app being opened into your mobile. You will keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And now they will ask you about your document. I am using BRP. You have to scan the back of the BRP first. So here you can see I am going to scan it in this way. Then it will ask you to scan the front side of your BRP. You will scan it. After that, it will ask you to scan the chip given on this BRP. You will scan it. After that, you will scan your face. Everything will be coming on your mobile. After scanning of your face, what you will do, it will take few seconds. You have to take your picture as well. Now you have to take your photo as per the guidelines given over here. You will bring your face in the center and it will take your picture by its own. They will ask either you are happy with this picture and yes, you will use this picture. After that, it will show you your details. If you are agree with the details, you will submit the button. And after that, it's saying you want to continue on the mobile or you want to continue on the laptop. For that, you have to disconnect from the mobile. So your identity is confirmed using the ID check app. Now you have to sign in again into your account. Okay, again same things, biometric resident permit. So when you will sign in again into your account, so this will take you to this page, your form. Link your EVisa to your account. This is reference number also given. Status started on the 28th of the July. So you will select on the continue button. So we have done the identity confirmation using the ID check app. So here you can see identity and the contact. Confirm your identity, that is coming completed. Okay, so now we have to update our location. We will select on this button location. Are you in the UK? No. Yes, I am in the UK. Okay, check your answer, yes, and continue. Okay, so that's completed. Your location is also completed. Contact preferences. Okay, so which email address would you like? So you have to enter, you have to select the email address which you have provided. Okay, and then which phone number, you will select the phone number which you have already provided. After that, you will check your answers and you will select the continue button. So now contact preference is also completed. So identity and the contacts are completed. The second point, second option is account security. Account security questions. Okay, click there. So here you can see these two things are completed. Account security is also completed. The last option left is submit the request. We will select on the declaration. Okay, declaration. I am the person submitting the information and I am aged 18. Okay, continue. Okay, so what will happen? Your declaration also completed and then you will select on the submit. Okay, so after selecting this option, what you will do, confirm and submit. Okay, you will click on the confirm and submit button. So your information has been submitted. Your reference number is this. What happened next? We will email you using the contact email address we have chosen when your e-visa is ready to view. Okay, we will use the contact details provided if we need you to submit any more information using your e-visa. Once your e-visa is ready to view, you can use your online services to view and prove your immigration status. The important thing is they will email you your e-visa address once e-visa is ready to view. Okay, so please keep in mind. So this is the process which you have to do. After that, you will select the finish and leave the service. That's it. So here you can see identity confirm, account confirm, submit. You have submitted the request as well and you will get a response through the email once it's ready to be viewed. Thank you very much, by the way, for watching the video. Bye bye.